Operation video of comprehensive SF6 analyzer of 3-in-1 SF6 analyzer purity, Dewpoint and decomposition products H2S, SO2, Co, HF. First, turn on the power in the lower left corner. This is a self-calibration of our sensor. In daily using, we must wait for the self-check to finish. For video shooting, we skip this step. Let's take a look at this. Look, this is the Dewpoint value, purity value, and for decomposition products. We supply it with gas first. What we supplied is co-standard gas, and then check flow rate, which is generally around 0.3. We are testing for carbon monoxide. After required value is stable, after it stabilizes, if we need the result, we can print it out. This is the printout result. Let's measure the purity next. Now we supply it with sulfur hexafluoride gas, also about 0. Control the flow rate at about 0.3. Set this to the purity gear. Twist the valve to adjust the flow speed. After it stabilizes, with the pure SF6 we blow, it should basically be able to blow to about 99.9%. When it stabilizes, its rise speed slows down slowly. The value is generally like this.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.